Yeah. We're going on the Falcon, guys. I'm gonna see if they'll let us take this on the ride and take video and stuff. Hello.
Right Sun applicants looking for
Right
an
Sun.
transport solution.
So far they have not told me I can't videotape, so let's do it.
Yeah.
You guys asked for it. Oh no, I've let an opening in the line. Oh, they have single rider. That's exciting to know.
Alright, applicants, come on down. Like it for you today.
Guys, we're on the Millennium Falcon ride. It's happening. Hello. They're calling us applicants. Guys,
We're gonna be in the flight crew.
we're about to fly this ship. Look, right there's where you get. Oh, there's a giant hole in it. I think Chewie and Han are working on fixing that. Or maybe Rey's helping now. Chewie and Rey. Oh, this is cool. All right, walking all the way through.
So do you think we're gonna get pilot, engineer, or what's the other one?
Gunner.
Gunner. So pilot, engineer, or gunner?
Okay, so I have heard that pilot, you have two pilots. One goes left, right, one goes up, down. Gunners, you shoot a gun, you hit a button, shoot a gun.
Oh yeah.
And then engineers, I'm not sure what they do, but they fix stuff when it breaks. So I'm not sure what their control is though.
I don't know. I heard engineers' controls are on the side and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Front.
I would like to try for pilot.
I think everybody wants to try for pilot.
Do you want to be a gunner? You got really excited for gunner,
I'm just excited to be here.
right?
So.
All right, here we go.
Good so far.
So we have yet to enter inside the Falcon. We're just walking right now, still in the queue. In le queue. The queue is outside. Look, there's the ship again. Before we get on it. Really? Oh, very exciting. So much detail.
Are you under shell? Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, it has a very Guardians of the Galaxy feel. It's got all this stuff happening in here. So is this a docking bay?
Yeah, I think.
Or are we in the ship?
I don't think we're in the ship yet.
Okay.
What language is spoken on the two?
It's Arabish.
Arabish?
Arabish.
Oh, okay.
It's like Areabesh. Possibly. Reactor here seems like it's got some stuff happening. Doesn't sound very good.
Initiating full power-up sequence! Again, if this doesn't explode, I'll consider us lucky.
Oh, that's comforting.
Trust me!
Woo! We are operational.
Okay, that actually sounds good. On the way, not fire us yet.
Okay, so they have now separated us into two groups like they do on Guardians. And there are two docking bay doors.
I wonder
And-
if there's more space inside.
Say it.
I said, I wonder if there's
You
more
guys
space
behind that graded
inside.
line on the ground, please. Behind that graded line.
Oh, behind the graded line. That's the graded line.
Probably so.
Ah! Oh my god, that scared me. It opened very abruptly. Here we go, into another room.
Accused us of stealing.
fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it. And it's good you made it back. Good for you.
Commander, one of the engines blew up.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Pablo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expedition. Schumacher, my fine very great. Yes, as Harry, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, I get those profits. What? The first order would never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. And, of course, after all, you split 70-25, but this, you're 10% off 25.
All right, we've been separated. Ooh, it's air conditioned and I love it.
Very nice.
That feels good. So we're looking for pilots, gunners, and engineers. You will be the flight crew with the yellow credentials. So listen up for your color once you get into the main hold. All right, on the back, we'll have a little bit more description on what your duties will be for that position. Okay, stay together as a group and listen for your color. You said you want to be a pilot. Okay, thank you. Okay, come on in.
Yeah, we're pilots.
Actually, you guys want to say pilots?
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Woo! Oh, look at all the detail. We're inside the ship. Danica, we're inside the ship.
Flight crews, all the way, you're going to be listening for the color yellow.
Feel free to explore, they said. Look, we're in our ship. So exciting. Look at that. I don't even know what that is, but it's exciting. Oh, we're gonna go over here. This is a fuel can with an exit sign on it. In case of emergency. And all this stuff. Danica's found this table over here. Excuse me.
I can turn it on.
Excuse me.
I guess the holograms are coming up. Oh, that's us.
That's us. That's us. We're yellow. We tried to sit at the table. But
The pilots in the front.
that's us. We're the pilots.
Gunners will be right after the pilots.
We're the pilots.
And the engineers right after the gunners.
We got our gunners. You guys are gunners. And then we got our engineers in the back. This is our flight crew. This is an exciting time. Pilots of the Millennium Falcon.
They don't crash.
We'll try. Just get don't crash. That's very first timers.
Remember, my pilots, you're going to be flying the ship. Gunners, you're fixing, or you're protecting the ship. Engineers, you're fixing it.
Look at all of this. This is what? This is crazy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Here we go.
Welcome, right this way, my friends. Come closer.
First?
Come
Okay.
closer. Very good. A few brand new crew members and a few returning for another mission. Excellent. You will be intercepting a first order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line behind the train. And engineers,
One of our pilots might be a spy.
Precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have
I'm
complete
nervous.
faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
For your safety,
All right,
remain
pilots first.
seated and supervise
Pilots in the
downrange.
front, gunners in the middle.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Ooh, look at our ship.
Or do you want to be regular pilot and I'll be co-pilot?
Oh, is that how it works?
I don't. That's how they sit,
Oh, okay.
right?
Ready to get the safety restraints on?
What? Ugh. Look at all these buttons.
All right, everybody pulling out yellow tabs so I can see everybody. Okay, go ahead and activate your console so we can power up our ship. Activate your console. Go up, down, you're gonna go right to left.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh goodness.
Automatic.
She's up, down. No, yeah, you're up, down. I'm right to
And
left.
then engineers, whenever something starts sliding up on you, you're gonna start
This
fixing that
is
ship.
our crew. You guys all look fantastic. Look at the inside of this ship. Oh, this is magnificent.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons.
Okay.
You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it! Makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot.
I'm pushing it up as far as it goes.
Now let's
Pull
go
back,
to the
pull back.
coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
What do I push?
I think that button. Oh, we ran into a planet.
Oh, there is the train. Come on, Papa. Yes, yes, keep shooting.
Yeah.
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Evasive action! I'm evading! I'm evading!
Ah, there it is. After that train.
Follow that train, Danica!
Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Jonathan, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes.
I don't know where my brakes are!
That could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friend. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
Oh, you!
Flight engineers.
Sorry!
Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo is ready. We keep shooting.
My sunglasses fell off!
Gun ship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. I've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing.
Oh no!
Left pilot, hit the boosters. Move, move, move. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers.
Okay!
We've got company.
Chewie, we need some help!
Chewie's right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance.
We're moving really slow! Trying to Wait!
That's how much you're supposed to go.
I don't know. Not exactly sure.
Oh, now it's working.
Whoa.
We're nearing the end of the belt. You did it!
I'm trying to go left!
Watch out!
Ah!
Oh, that's going to leave a mark.
Ugh. Oh no! Oh no!
What's wrong?
Yes,
I
Julie
don't
will
know.
pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance.
Is it?
You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest
We did it!
your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Collisions 900.
R5, damage report. Engine failure, alright.
Oh, wait, are we still in it?
Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, man. Okay, that's something. I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you list the parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe.